Heyo everyone, I'm Jay from Boulder Creek Railway, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the new project I just put up on Cults 3D. The item is called a skid shack. They were small shacks or huts on skids that the loggers in 1880 would use as housing or for storage. They would use steam donkeys to pull these little houses around the logged forests. I hope this little item will add a new source of diversity to your layout. And as always, happy railroading!